Good evening, children.
Good evening.
Ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening.
Good
Do we have
evening,
to
ma'am.
discuss? Good evening. Do we have to discuss any homework answers?
No, ma'am.
No. All right. So let's get started. Work the third one in this one, children. All of you work 3. I will ask one of you to give out the answer. Question number 4, subdivision 3. So first say step 1, work 7m minus 8n the whole square. Step 2, the next one, 7n plus 8n the whole square. Step 3, add the 2 answers and get the final answer. So I want it in 3 steps. Step 1, step 2 and step 3. Yes, you should have completed by now. Finish step 1, children. All of you finished step 1.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Yeah, ma'am, I also got the answer.
Got the answer. Very good. Nobody can make a mistake because when we discuss the homework in the last class, the homework which I had given for the last class when we discussed, I saw everyone giving out the answers. So if that was true, if that was your work, then today there should be no mistake. All of you, nobody went wrong. All of you gave the correct answer. So that means you have understood and you shouldn't make any mistake today. Yeah. Yes, Raja. Step 1.
Ma'am, excuse me. 1 minute, I will be back. Ma'am.
Yes, Raja. Children, I also want you to copy question number 6 and 7 because I'll be unsharing my screen. Just make a note of question number 6 and 7, subdivision 6 and 7 also. We'll be working them next. 3 is in your book. Take down 6 and 7 quickly. Don't make a mistake in writing the powers. Okay, I'm going to unshare my screen. Shall I, children? Have you written the questions? Shall I unshare my screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Yes, Raja.
Ma'am,
Step 1.
ma'am, can I say ma'am Kirtana?
Kirtana. Just a minute, Kirtana. Just a minute. Then Devadarshini. Answer for step 1. Devadarshini. Why you can't hear me, yeah? How are you in the class if you can't hear me? Devadarshini. Danya. Danya, step 1 answer.
Ma'am, can I say Kirtana?
Okay, Kirtana, yes.
Ma'am, I got 7m squared minus 8n squared plus 7m squared plus 8n squared.
That's answer for step 1, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
But you're saying so many terms. What is a minus b the whole square, Kirtana?
Ma'am,
Yes, Danya.
ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes.
Ma'am, the first step for 7m minus 8n square is we should use the formula a plus b square, ma'am, to the power square.
A plus or minus?
Minus, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
A minus b the whole, say a minus b the whole square.
Okay, ma'am. A minus b the whole square.
Kirtana, I'll get back to you. There's a slight mistake in your answer. I'll get back to Kirtana. Let me hear from Danya. Yes.
Ma'am, you should use the formula a minus b the whole square, ma'am, which is a square minus 2ab plus b square, ma'am.
Okay.
And then for the next, so we should substitute it, ma'am. I'm working on it, ma'am. And then for 7m plus 8n square, we should use the formula a plus b the whole square, ma'am, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square.
Okay. And then what will you do with the two answers?
We should add it, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Yes, others, if you have not finished it, complete it. We need to use the formula a minus b the whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Take another chance, all of you. I have worked the answer in one line. I want you to do step 1, step 2, step 3, and then you will understand both the answers.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, I got the answers 98 n square plus 128 n square, ma'am.
Yeah, but we'll have to first discuss the steps, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, Sindhu, tell me what is the first step in step 1?
Ma'am, the first step is 7m square minus 2 into 7m plus into 8n, ma'am, plus 8n square plus 7m square plus 2 into 7m 8n plus 8n square, ma'am.
Very good. We must say 7m the whole square because there is 7 and m there, right? So
Yes.
we must say 7m the whole square. Okay,
Yes.
next step.
Ma'am, 49m square minus 112mn plus 64n square plus 49m square plus 112mn plus 64n square, ma'am.
And the final answer?
Final answer is 98m square plus 128n square, ma'am.
Okay, since you're twins, your voices are very similar. I'm sorry.
Ma'am,
This
Sanjay, ma'am.
Sanjay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, Sanjay. Very good. And your answer is right.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, children. So you can see here, I've worked it in one step. See, this is like a minus b the whole square, where this is a and this is b. This is b. So see here, a minus b the whole square is a square. A square, 7m the whole square. Minus 2 into a into b, minus 2 into 7m into 8n, plus b square, plus 8n the whole square. Because a is 7m and because a is 7m and b is 8n. You can see this plus sign here. You can see this plus sign here, plus sign here. Now this is a plus b the whole square, where a is 7m and b is 8n. A plus b the whole square is not a square plus b square. And a minus b the whole square is not a square minus b square. See here, a minus b the whole square. It is not a square. It is not a square minus b square. And a plus b the whole square is not a square plus b square. A plus b the whole square is not a square plus b square. It's not just that. A minus b the whole square is not simply a square minus b square. No. Both a minus b the whole square and a plus b the whole square have 3 terms in their expansion. Both a plus b the whole square and a minus b the whole square have 3 terms in their expansion. The terms are a square 2ab b square. A square 2ab b square. If it is a plus b the whole square, it will be plus 2ab. If it is a minus b the whole square, it will be minus 2ab. And you should also make sure that you write 7m and 8n in brackets. 7m the whole square. 8, whatever is 8 should be squared completely. Now 7 square is 49m square. Now again you must not write 49m square in a bracket. You must not write 49m the whole square like this. This becomes whole square. Once you should write the whole square, 7m the whole square. Now we are finding the value 7 into 7, 49. M into m square. Now the square is only for m. It's not for 49. Seven m the whole square. A square, a the whole square. The square is for 7 and m. Here in this step, it is for both 7 and m. Now 7 into 7 is 49. m into m is m square. In this step, the square is only for m. It's not for 49. That's why we don't put a bracket. Here in this step, it is 8n the whole square. But when you square it, 8 square is 64. And n square, n into n is n square. Now the square is only for n. It's not for 64. Go through the answer. Next sum, all of you should do it correctly. Any doubts, ask me now. You can see it here. So first, this is a minus b the whole square, which is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then that plus sign. And this is a plus b the whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So you get 3 terms in both. 3 terms for a minus b the whole square and 3 terms for a plus b the whole square. And then there are like terms, m square, n square, n square, n square. Minus 112 mn plus 112 mn, they get cancelled. Like terms, 49 plus 49 is 98, 98 m square. 64 and 64 is 128 n square. I've told you that when you add or subtract like terms, the answer is also a like term. Yes, children. Now we
Ma'am, but shouldn't we multiply 2 into 7 m square into 8 n square?
2 into
7 m square into 8 n square.
no, a is only 7m. No, compare this 1 minute. This is a.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
A and this is b.
Yes, ma'am.
And this is 2ab, not 2a square b square. It is 2ab.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Now I get it.
Okay. Devadarshini? Any doubts, Devadarshini, because you were not in the meeting for some time? Please ask me if you have any doubts.
Ma'am, could you please explain this once again, ma'am, because I have some issues now.
No, that's not possible, ma. For that, you have to use a recording.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Raja, you also didn't answer when I asked you. Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Tell me, what is a plus b the whole square, Raja?
Ma'am?
What is a plus b the whole square?
Ma'am, a plus b whole square equal to a square minus b 2ab plus b square, ma'am.
No, no. What is a plus b the whole square? A plus b the whole square. A square?
Oh, sorry, ma'am. A square plus 2ab plus b square, ma'am.
Okay. And what is a minus b the whole square?
A square minus 2ab plus b square, ma'am.
Okay. Raja, one more question for you. Just hold. Now, this is of which form?
Ma'am,
This one looks like how many terms are there?
2 terms, ma'am.
Inside the bracket. They are separated by which sign?
Minus.
Minus. And then, so 2 terms separated by a minus sign. don't see the power. The terms are a cubed and b squared. That's okay. But how many terms? 2 terms, and they're separated by a minus sign. And then the whole thing is
A square.
squared. So it looks like which identity?
A minus B the whole square.
Yeah, there should be 2 terms inside, a and b, separated by a minus sign. So a minus b, and then it's squared. So a minus b the whole squared.
Yes, ma'am.
A minus b the whole squared.
Yes,
Now, what is a? When you compare, what is a?
ma'am.
When you compare a minus b the whole square with the given expression, what
Yes.
is a?
7m.
No. Where are you? I'm talking about a cubed minus b square the whole square.
Yes, ma'am.
What is a there?
No, I don't understand what you're asking.
Now we are discussing this one. This is your question.
Yes,
In
ma'am.
what is a? When you compare it with a minus b the whole square, what is that you will write in place of a?
Ma'am, A is cubed, ma'am.
Yes, Devadarshini, you said that?
A cubed, ma'am.
A cubed. And what will you write in place of b, Devadarshini?
B square, ma'am.
B square. Got that, Raja?
Yes, ma'am.
A cubed. In place of a, you must write a cubed. And in place of b, you must write b square. Now, what's the answer for this? Is my
A-
screen visible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Raja, the
Yes.
answer is a the whole square. A the whole square. Okay, minus 2 into a into b. 2 into a into b plus b the whole square. This is the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
You should write a here. A squared minus, because it is a minus b the whole square. See, this don't get, there are 2 terms. I told you there are 2 terms in the bracket. This is one term, which is a. This is the other term, which is b, separated by a minus sign. So this is a, this is b whole square. So this is like a minus b the whole square, which is a square. See here, a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square. Now what should I write in this bracket, Raja?
A, ma'am. A cube.
A cubed, you got it. And what should I write in this bracket?
Ma'am, A cubed into B square.
Here in this bracket, can you see where I'm pointing to? This one. What should I write?
Ma'am, B, that is B square.
B square. And now this is 2 into a into b. What should I write here? 2 into, what is a?
A cubed.
Yeah, you got it now. And what is b?
B square.
B square. Now tell me, I'll write the next step here. Now tell me, what is the answer? What is a cubed the whole square? A to the power?
8 to the power 6.
6. Next one, minus 2.
Minus 2 into 2a cubed minus 2b square.
No. See, like if it is 2 into 3 into 4, 2 into 3 into 4, will you do 2 into 3 and then 2 into 4?
No, ma'am.
No, 2 into 3, 6. 6 4 are 24. So you should not multiply 2 times. You should not do 2 into a cubed and 2 into b square. 2 into a cubed into b square is 2a cubed b square.
Yes, ma'am.
That you will do only if it is like this, Raja. If it is 2 of a cubed plus b square like this, if it is like this, then you must do 2 into a cubed and 2 into b square.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, now this is a continued product. 2 into a cubed into b square.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, plus
b to the power 4.
b to the power 4. Very good. You're sure you understood, Raja?
Yes, ma'am.
And class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So children, what you can do is, because when we come across a plus b the whole square or a minus b the whole square, for example, let me just say now 3 by 4 x cubed minus 4 by 3 y cubed the whole square. So children, how many terms are there in the bracket?
2 terms, ma'am.
2 terms separated by a
Minus.
Minus.
now separated by a
Plus
Sign.
plus sign.
Yes, ma'am.
2 terms a and b connected by a plus sign. So a plus b. There are 2 terms a and b. A plus b, it's squared. A plus b the whole square. So now what will be the result? Use empty brackets like this. See, supposing you feel it is difficult, you can do this. You can use an empty bracket. A square plus 2 into a into b. 2 into a into b plus b squared plus b squared.
Ma'am, can I say this, ma'am, for this
Yes,
one?
Ma'am, can I say, ma'am?
Devadarshini, is it?
Ma'am, first Kirtana asked, ma'am, and then
Yeah, no, you answer. No, you were not in the meeting for some time. No, answer yes. Devadarshini, yes.
Ma'am, in the A, we have to write 3 by 4 x to the cube, ma'am.
X cube, 3 by 4 x cube. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. And in the last bracket, we have to write the second term, which is 4 by 3 y cube, ma'am.
Very good. And then
Ma'am, in the middle bracket, 2 into 3 by 4 x cube into 4 by 3 x y cube, ma'am.
very good. Very good. Now, Keetna, simplify this.
Ma'am, I have said the correct answer.
Oh, yes, that's what I said. Very good.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, yes, correct. Devadarshini.
Thank you.
Yes, Keetna, continue now.
Yeah, ma'am. 3 by 4 x power 6 plus.
No. Everything in the bracket should be squared.
Sorry, ma'am. 3 by 4 x power 9.
Madhumita.
Ma'am, can I try again? Ma'am, I got
Yeah,
it now.
Keetna. Yes, Keetna, yeah, you can try it.
9 by 16 x power 6, ma'am.
So
Or
there's a doubt, no, if it is x power 6 or x power 5.
Ma'am, it's x power 5, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's x power 5, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's x power 6, ma'am, because a power m to the power n is a power mn, ma'am.
Correct. We need to multiply the powers here. See, I'll tell you the difference. If it is x cubed into x squared, if you have two different bases, two different meaning like two x's you have, x to the power 3 into x to the power 2. Then you should add the powers, x to the power 3 plus 2, 5. 3 plus 2, x to the power 5. When you have x 2 times like this, x to the power 3 into x to the power 2. Base are same, multiplication, so we add the powers, 3 plus 2, 5. But if you have x to the power 3, the whole...
Ma'am, I'm having a doubt, ma'am.
Let me finish. If it is x to the power 3, the whole square, then we multiply the powers. 3 2s are 6. I'll tell you the reason why. It's not difficult. That's because what is x cubed the whole square? What do you mean by x cubed the whole square? That means you should multiply x cubed 2 times.
Yes,
That
ma'am.
means it is x cubed into x cubed. It is x cubed into the whole square means x cubed multiply the base 2 times with itself. X cubed the whole square means what? Whatever is the base, multiply it with itself 2 times.
Yes, ma'am.
So x to the power 3 plus 3 is 6. Yes, so what's your doubt?
Ma'am, actually my doubt is in this sum you have said that we have to add the powers, no ma'am. But in the previous sum which Raja answered that a cube minus b square, in that sum we have multiplied, no ma'am. So the 3 2s are 6.
Yeah, that was whole square. No, so here also we are multiplying the powers. I'm just telling you the other one.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yes, now Keetna, continue the answer.
For the second middle bracket, ma'am.
No, yeah. What's the first bracket? 9 by
9 by 16 x power 6, ma'am.
x power 6. Okay. Then
Then
Madhumita. No, Keetna,
24 20.
Oh, no, I don't want 24. Any other answer?
Ma'am, we can cancel it, ma'am. 3 by 4 into 4 by 3. 4 and 4 get cancelled and 3 and 3 get
4 and 4
cancelled.
get cancelled. 3 and 3 will get cancelled. So we'll be left with what?
2x
to the
x
power
cube y cube.
Yeah, 2x cubed y cubed. Then last term plus
16 by 9 y power 6.
16 by 9 y power 6. I think now you can ask me if you still have doubts, but I think you're all clear now. You can remove the bracket. Next step, you can just write them without the bracket. I just put the bracket. Once you simplify, you can remove the brackets. You don't have to put these brackets once you simplify. So please use empty brackets. Please use empty brackets. We'll try one more. Madhumita.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Madhumita.
Ma'am, the identity is a square plus 2ab plus b square, ma'am.
No, you must. The question looks like which side of the identity?
Ma'am, it is a plus b the whole square.
What is A?
A is 5 by 6 x to the power 4 and b is 3y to the power 5, ma'am.
3y to the power 5. Yeah. Now help me put the empty brackets.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first it's a square
Okay.
and then it's 2ab
Sign.
into plus 2ab, ma'am.
Okay.
And plus b square.
Okay. What should I write here?
5 by 6 x to the power 4, ma'am.
And here?
And there it's into 5 by 6 x to the power 4 into 3y to the power 5.
The last bracket?
And 3y to the power 5, ma'am.
Okay, now Sindhu, continue. Thank you, Madhumita. You're right.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, 5 by 6 x to the power 4 the whole square is equal to 25 by 30
25 by
by 30
30, yeah?
ma'am 36 ma'am
36.
x to the power
Yeah,
8 ma'am
8 plus
plus ma'am we can reduce 6 and 3 ma'am.
correct. Tell me, yeah, you were very good. You have to reduce is correct. So you reduce it in your mind and tell me the final answer for the middle term.
Yes ma'am. Ma'am we can reduce 6 and 3 and again we can reduce it with 2 ma'am.
Very good. Yes.
So we'll get 5x4 y5 ma'am.
Yeah. So the 2 and 3 in the numerator will get cancelled with the 6 in the denominator.
Yes ma'am.
Correct. So as she rightly said, 3 ones are 3 twos are 2 and 2 will get cancelled. First 3 ones are 3 twos are so 2 here. Then 2 and 2 will get cancelled.
Yes
So
ma'am.
we take with 5 x to the
X
power.
to the power 4 and y to the power 5 ma'am.
Yeah, y to the power 5. Then plus
Plus 9y to the power 10 ma'am.
9y to the power 10.
10 ma'am.
Perfect.
Thank you ma'am.
Yeah. Children, ask me your doubts now. Devadarshini, any doubt with these two sums?
No doubts, ma'am. Clear.
You sure you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Then that earlier one also you will understand. You asked me something, no? You were not in the meeting for some time.
Yes, ma'am. I have understood, ma'am.
Yeah, you will understand that one also because if you understand this, it's the same thing. What you missed is the same thing. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Tanya, Kirtana, Madhumita, Raja, Sindhu, and Saja, any questions?
No ma'am.
Ma'am, I clearly
Kirtana?
No, ma'am.
Okay. And any doubt with what we were discussing? This one, a plus b the whole this. Okay, but this one, children. Third subdivision, any doubt?
No ma'am.
All right. Now I'm unsharing my screen. Now the next two sums which I've taken down already, all of you should do it correctly. Start working.
Ma'am, can you just show the 7th and 8th question, ma'am? Because I want to check if I wrote the question right.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am completed the second and third sum, ma'am.
Very good. Please read.
Ma'am, I completed the sixth one, ma'am.
Okay, please try the next one, the seventh one.
Ma'am, can you show the question again, ma'am?
Yeah.
I wrote it, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. Done, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I just started the seventh question, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, completed, ma'am.
All right, good. I think it's time to see the answers. Can't see my screen, right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now, what's the final answer for the 7th one?
M square bracket to the M square plus N4, ma'am.
Ma'am, n to the power 4 plus n to the power 4 m square, ma'am.
Okay, I'll just hear your answers. I'm not commenting on if it is right or wrong. Okay. Danya said something, I got it. Sindhu and Sanjay, okay. Who else wants to share your answer? Please share.
Ma'am, I'm working on it, ma'am. Me too, ma'am.
No, you've already. Oh, I asked the 7th one. Is it not the 6th one? I'm sorry. Actually, I was talking about I wanted to ask you the 6th one. Sorry. What's the answer for the 6th one, children?
Ma'am, A square plus B square plus C square, ma'am.
Okay, Danya, come.
B square plus B square C square, ma'am.
Okay, I heard it from Sindhu and Sanjay. Danya, what did you say?
Ma'am, A square B square, ma'am, plus B square plus C square, ma'am.
B square plus C square, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Yes, others?
Ma'am, I got AB plus BC square.
AB plus BC square. Okay.
Ma'am, I got A square B square plus B square plus C square.
Okay. All right. Yes, others? Raja, Kirtana? Raja and Kirtana? Kirtana, you shared your answer?
No, ma'am. I'm not understanding the 6th and 7th question, ma'am.
No problem, no problem. We'll see the answer. I'll just give you a clue so that you can just try it again and then we'll see, because 6th and 7th, children, don't worry if you've not got it. I haven't explained at all. I just want you to work on it first. I want you to think. And then when I explain, you will understand better. Because you're already introduced to the formulae. The 3 different formulae, a plus b the whole square, a minus b the whole square, a square minus b square. You're familiar with the formulae. So I just want to check how far you can implement the formula in working the solution. So don't worry. It's not that you should get it correct. It's okay if you're wrong also. It's not something which you've already understood and you're doing it now. So for those who want a clue or some hint about the procedure, I'll tell you. Now in the 6th one we have AB plus BC the whole square, right, Kirtana?
Yes, ma'am.
Minus 2AB square C. Leave that. That is outside the bracket. Just leave that. Leave that. Nothing can be done with minus 2AB square C. That first bracket, AB plus BC the whole square, looks like what? Looks like which identity? How many terms are there in the bracket AB plus BC the whole square? How many terms?
Ma'am,
2, ma'am.
A plus B squared, ma'am. A plus B.
Yeah, we learned to say A plus B the whole square.
Ma'am, 2 terms are there, ma'am.
There are 2 terms separated by a plus sign. And you can see the power 2 also. The bracket. So it's like a plus b the whole square, correct? Children,
Yes.
is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it's like a plus b the whole square. Now, Keetna, what is a there?
AB, ma'am.
Correct. And what is b?
BC.
BC. So in the form, so now the formula is a plus b the whole square is equal to what? The question is like a plus b the whole square. So what's the answer?
Ma'am, shall I say?
Yes, Danya.
Ma'am, so I say the answer, ma'am.
No.
A
If a plus b the whole square is a question, then what is the answer for a plus b the whole square?
AB
A
square
square plus
plus
2ab
4
plus b
into
square, ma'am.
AB into BC plus BC square, ma'am.
No, you are saying no. See, Sanjay and Sindhu told me correctly. I meant if a plus b the whole square is a question, what's the answer? The answer is a square plus 2ab
Plus
b square.
2AB plus B square, ma'am.
Yeah. So, Keetna, you just have to substitute. In place of A, you need to write AB, and in place of B, you need to write BC.
Okay, ma'am, I got it now, ma'am.
Yeah, that minus 2AB square C, that last term, that will just come down as it is. Nothing can be done with that. Try. And for those who finished, I'll just show another question. Please finish 6 and 7. This is not for everybody. If you're finished, do the 5th one. If you're done with the 6th and 7th one, then please do the 5th one.
Ma'am, can you repeat what we should do with the minus 2ABC, 2AB squared C, ma'am? Should we substitute, ma'am?
No, nothing. That will just come down as it is.
Or like, can we add it to the?
Yeah, in the next step, you can add, you can simplify with the other terms. If there's a
Okay,
like,
ma'am.
you can simplify in the next step.
Ma'am, so I got the answer as AB squared minus 4AB squared C plus BC squared, ma'am.
No, darling, you've done a mistake somewhere. We'll see. When I show you the answer, we'll discuss where you've gone wrong.
Ma'am,
Children, finished 6 and 7. Please take the 5th one. Yes, Danya.
ma'am, I was calling.
Yeah, Madhumita.
Ma'am, actually, I just realized I made a mistake in the 6th one, and now my answer is a square b square plus b square c square, ma'am.
Yeah, that's correct.
Yes, ma'am. I forgot to square AB and BC, ma'am. Now I got it right.
Very good. Okay. So this is what it is. I want you to realize it is easy because we're just using a formula and substituting something else in the place of A and B. That's all it is. You can do it. Yes, try children, try the 5th one. If you finish 6 and 7, then do the 5th one. Okay, it's time to discuss answers 6 and 7. What's the answer, children? Raja? Do you want to share your answer for the sixth one?
No, ma'am.
Okay. I think it's better I share my screen and we'll see the answer and understand. Yeah, so these are the answers for the sixth and seventh one. See your children. Take it from me, it's very simple. Now this one has two terms, two terms, separated by a plus sign, raised to the power 2. So this is like a plus b the whole square. This is like, here, exactly like a plus b the whole square. Wherein a is a, wherever there is a, you must write ab. And wherever there is b, you must write bc. Now let's come to the answer. Now this is like a plus b the whole square. So the answer will be, you must write a square here, plus 2ab here, and plus b square here. That's the answer. I've told you this many times when we discuss the formulae. The question is like a plus b the whole square. So the answer will be a square plus 2ab plus b square. Just that in place of a, you must write ab. See here, a square. This is a square. 2 into a plus 2 into a into b. See here, 2 into a. This is a into b. This is b. Plus b square. Plus this is b. B square. Now this term minus 2ab squared c comes as it is. That is the first step. Then we need to simplify. We need to remove the bracket. Now ab the whole square is a square b square. Because ab the whole square means ab into ab. ab into ab is ab the whole square. So ab into ab is a square b square. And here 2 into ab into bc will be b into b is b square. So 2a b square c. Because there's only one a and one c. There's only one a and one c, but there are two b's. So b into b is b squared. 2a b squared c plus bc the whole square is b square c square. And this one as it is, minus 2a b squared c as it is. Now you can see here, this is plus 2a b square c. This is minus 2a b square c. 0. So they get cancelled. So these remaining two terms are the answers. A square b square plus b square c square. They are not like terms, so you cannot add them. A square b square and b square c square are not like terms. So you cannot add them. So that's the answer. A square b square plus b square c square. Very simple. Same thing with the next one, children. I want you to understand. I'm not explaining this. I want you to understand. So here also what happens? This term minus 2 m cubed n square plus 2 m cubed n square. They get cancelled. So these two remaining two terms are the answer. I'm sorry. These two remaining terms put together is the answer. Instead of a, see the question, I told you this one. If the question is like a minus b the whole square. If this is the question, if the question looks like this, then the answer will be a square minus 2ab plus b square. I told you this. If the question is like a minus b the whole square, then the answer is a square minus 2ab plus b square. If the question is like a square minus 2ab plus b square, then the answer will be a minus b the whole square. I've told you this. Now the question in the seventh one, you can see inside the, see here, what do you see in a minus b the whole square? Inside the bracket, there are two terms a and b separated by a minus sign. And the bracket is raised to the power 2. Similar thing you find here. M square minus n square m. There are two terms, m square and n square m in the bracket, separated by a minus sign, and the bracket is raised to the power 2. So the answer will be a. So this is like a minus b the whole square, where this is a and this is b. So in the answer, instead of a square, instead of a you must write m square. This is a. I told you put empty bracket, that will be more convenient for you. Just use empty brackets. See, a square. So just put an empty bracket. A, this is a square minus 2 into a into b. 2 into a and b you should write inside square. 2 into a into b plus b square plus b square. Like this, and then this term you should write this as it is. Now write inside the bracket, you write a and b. A is m square and b is n square m. That's what you see here. M square into m is m cubed. M square the whole square is m to the power 4. Yes, ask me your doubts, children. What doubts do you have, children? No doubts?
No doubts, ma'am. No doubts, ma'am.
All right. In that case, take this as homework. Take a screenshot of this one, children. We have tried a few in the class. The remaining you should do it as homework. I'm showing you the answer also. So next class, if you have any doubts alone, we'll not see the answers to the questions, because I'm also sharing the answer with you. If you have any doubts, we'll get them clarified in the class. Done, children, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. This one also, take a screenshot and then I'll tell you what to do. Take a picture of this one.
Taken, ma'am.
Yeah, this also, the solution also.
Ma'am, can you show the previous slide, ma'am? Taken, ma'am.
all. So here what you should do is, the question is show that 2-3 minutes, children. I'll just explain what you have to do here and we'll wind up the session for today. Show that 3x plus 7 the whole square minus 84x is equal to 3x minus 7 the whole square. Whenever it is show that, that means you'll have to take up the LHS, work it, take up the RHS, work that and get the same answer in both. You need to show that this is the left hand side. This is the right hand side. What is before the equal to sign is the left hand side. What is after the equal to sign is the right hand side of the equation. You should work the LHS, the left hand side. You must work the LHS. You must work the RHS separately. And you must get the same answer in both. See, now don't you think we just worked the LHS, no, in the earlier sums, 3x plus 7 the whole square minus 84x. See, like that only we had questions here. Something the whole square minus 2ab square c. Similar ones we did now. Here. See here. Here and here in these two. Similar ones we did. So, and we also know how to work 3x minus 7 the whole square. It's like a minus b the whole square. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. That's all. Work it separately. Like what I'm trying to say is, we have worked this one separately. We have worked this separately. So now we know how to work the LHS and RHS. It's not new. We know how to work it. So whenever the heading is show that, that means you'll have to work the LHS, work the RHS, and show that it's the same. They're equal. LHS is equal to the RHS. So that's what you'll see everywhere, children. You must first write out LHS is this one. Then work it and get the answer. Then you must take up the RHS. Then you should take up the RHS. Work that one and get the answer. And when you look at the answers for the LHS and RHS, they should be the same. So LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Do we understand the procedure?
Yes, ma'am.
Everywhere you will have to do that. See, fractions also I explained, children. Don't tell me here there are fractions, so it was difficult. Must try. I took up 2 examples with fractions. So see here, before the equal to sign, this is the LHS. Before the equal to sign, this is the LHS. After the equal to sign, this is the RHS. Should take both separately. LHS, take up the LHS and work it. And in this particular sum, what you see is when you work the LHS, you get something which is directly the RHS. So that means here in this case, you don't have to work the RHS. Supposing you work the LHS and you get some answer which is already the RHS. Then you don't have to see here. 1 minute, I'll tell you the difference. In this one, you work the LHS. This is the left hand side. You got this answer. Do you see this one in the right hand side here? No, it's something else. So you should take up the right hand side also and work it. And you can see the same answer you got. Whatever answer you got in the left hand side, you're getting the same in the right hand side. So LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. Same thing here in the second one. In the third one, what's happening is when you take up the LHS and work it. This is the left hand side. When you take up the LHS and work it, see, when you work it, you get something. You get something. And that something is the RHS itself. So when you work the left hand side, you're getting the right hand side as answer. Hence verified. Supposing when you take up the LHS and you work, see, one cases you'll have to work the LHS, you'll have to work the RHS, and the answer should be the same in the LHS and RHS. That is one type. This is another type where you will take the LHS and work it, and the answer which you get is directly the RHS. So then you don't have to work the RHS separately. So you can just say is equal to RHS. Then you can just say, see, LHS, you took up the LHS and you worked it, you got something, and that is equal to the RHS. What you get is equal to the RHS. So the LHS is equal to the RHS. The same thing here. When you take in the fourth one, when you work the LHS from here to here, before the equal to sign is the LHS. When you work, see, this one we have worked separately. I'll show you. This one we worked separately. See, the sum, I asked you to work now, no, in the class third one. The third one I asked you to work. Third one, similar to that. Similar to that. Similar. So you have to take up the left hand side. This is the left hand side. Take up the left hand side and work it. So like this is like a plus b the whole square. This is like a minus b the whole square. So you'll have a, put empty brackets. For this one, you'll get a square plus 2ab plus b square. For this one, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So you can see the three terms here, a square plus 2ab plus b square. And this minus sign here. And a square minus 2ab plus b square. On simplifying, you get something, 48pq square. And in the RHS also you have 48pq square. So this answer is equal to the RHS, hence verified. And in the fifth one, recall the identity a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So b plus c into b minus c is b square minus c square. C minus a into c plus a will be c square minus a square. If a plus b into a minus b or a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square, then b minus c into b plus c is b square plus c, b square minus c square. C minus a into c plus a is c square minus a square. And when you add all this, in the LHS, when you add all this, a square minus a square, they'll get cancelled. Minus b square plus b square, minus c square plus c square, all gets cancelled. And the answer is 0. And that 0 is equal to the RHS. Hence verified. The fifth one, it's time now. I'll repeat. I just made it fast, the fifth one, so that you can complete the assignment. We'll take up the fifth one again in the next class. But I just told you something to enable you to complete the homework. Please finish it till the fifth one. We'll take up the fifth one again in the next class. Please complete your homework, children. It's very important. See, I planned for you. You have to execute it. Nothing is, ready. None of the material is ready. I prepare the material. Nothing. I don't pick anything from the internet. Everything is prepared. So I'm doing something for you. I plan what you have to do. So you have to execute my plan. Only then you're benefited. If you don't try the homework, see, only when you try the homework, the next class will be useful for you. You would have tried the homework and we discussed the answers. And in case you're wrong, you will be able to make out very clearly your mistake. So if you're taking up the classes without doing anything from your end, it might not be very clear to you, and that is not my fault. I hope you're all responsible in completing your assignments. All right, children, so that's it for today's session. If you have any questions, please stay back, else you may leave the call. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, children. Good night.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, children. Good night.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good night.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Good night.